Kung Cheng Kun Pen Garden, famous in Thai literature since the late Ayutthaya period. People love to sing the Thai ballad called Sepha. The original version of Kung Cheng Kun Pian has mostly been lost and burnt by Burmese soldiers in 1767 AD. It was in the early Ratanakosin era. During the second and third reigns it was rewritten. There you are, bit of history for you. So I'm not going to read all of them, but I wanted to have a look at round here. There's an old, well, made to look old, I don't know if it is old, stupa, chedi, prasat, whatever you wish to call it. I'm probably getting the nomenclature wrong, but yes, here we are, a rather beautiful old brick stupa with the sun blazing above it. It's certainly got the heat on now. But, yes, a rather beautiful example of a brick stupa. Let's have a look at our signage. What do we got? The fruit-shaped tower, Prang Sam Chai Nat. The fruit-shaped architecture style was popular during the pre-Ayutthaya periods, namely Yutong and Ayutthaya. The fruit-shaped prang is modelled after the smaller prang in front of the assembly hall at Wat Maha That, Sankhaburi in Chai Nat. Maybe that's one that I need to go and visit at some point. Right, well, I need to go cross country now, so I'm going to pop you off a little while. So we're looking across this water feature towards the Prang Sam Yot, which is in Lopburi, somewhere I've not managed to get to yet, but it's definitely on my list. Prang Sam Yot, or the Three Spires Sanctuary, made of laterite, located in the heart of Lopburi. The architectural style showing the influence of Khmer art is considered the art of the Lopburi school. Now this is rather famous. It's well known. I think they've lots of monkeys there. It is on my list. And just to go back, that palace we went to before, I'm trying to look here, I think it's the Kamyad Palace Hall. Oh, excuse me. Apparently it's in Ang Thong province, which would be interesting because I used to live in Ang Thong and I visited many temples in Ang Thong province, and I never ever saw that hall, so I'm not quite sure how I managed to miss it. But we're going to have a stroll over this bridge and go and have a look at Lopburi. It's getting busy now. There seems to be lots of school groups here. So there's that building we went to look at before, which according to the map I just looked at would appear to have been in Ang Thong. But as I say, I never heard of that when I was there, and that was pretty much all I did when I lived there. Was, well, much like now, apart from I probably go to fewer temples now. Look, there's a lovely little fat Buddha there. Yes, nice. Right, on to, I mean, look. It just goes on and on and on. Ooh, let's walk round the back of the Scouts. It's good to see they've still got the scouts here. I'm hoping that they last and they don't go the way of the American scouts. Right, let's have a look at the Lopburi Prasat. Here we are. Let's get you panned up. Oh, I think I'm going to need to do a battery change soon. So, here we are. That laterite, very distinctive. I'm no geologist, but it reminds me of lava, volcanic. So I'm not sure where they get it from around here, because I'm not familiar with any volcanoes. But yeah, I'm sure if I'm wrong I'll be corrected by some of my many subscribers who don't exist, the 12 or so of you. But yeah, Lopburi is on my list, so I will be going there at some point. See the monkeys, hopefully not get my face ripped off. And yeah, I need to do a battery change, so a good point to stop. See you later. Okay, we've got Kwan-Im here, a couple to look at. But let's just read the little signs. This is the Mondot, I hope I'm pronouncing it right, of Bodhisattva. I can't even pronounce the second word. In Mahayana Buddhism, the Bodhisattva representing the spirit of compassion, the most revered and honoured heavenly being in India, China, Tibet, Japan and Korea. Kwan-Im, basically. And as we know, she hears the cries of humankind. And here we have a beautiful, large, standing Kwan-Im in that ornate gold leaf. I guess, what would we say? Pavilion, maybe? But yeah, I'm just going to take a quick snap. I will go and show you the next part, which is the water feature. Now, I guess we'll never know, but if I can pan you down a bit. I'm not sure if the music's going to make it, can't think of the word. It might be silent because the music's copyrighted. I don't know. So, nice water feature. And here is a beautiful water feature, if you look at that. So as you can see, we've got a multi-headed Kwan-Im, I believe, in the middle, with the 1,000 hands, surrounded by dragons, naga, with their mouths agape. Let's try and find the best spot for a photo. Bear with me. Here we are, absolutely beautiful. The dragons could do with a bit of a clean, if I'm being critical. Their mouths are somewhat algaed up, but yeah, a nice example. Right, bear with me again, I want to get another photo. Here we are, the goddess of compassion. I'll see you at the next one.